Hello everyone. Hi everyone who has returned to my DY Top 1 channel. In this video, I will continue to share knife sharpening tips. Come to you. Do you have such a worn knife in your house? If so, here's a video for you. This is my knife. It's worn. And cutting paper or cutting lemons is very difficult. So I made this video to share with you an amazing knife sharpening trick. Interesting and effective. Let's start the video. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave a comment in your language below, so I can make some more waterside subtitles for you. I'm glad to talk to you from all over the world to share together interesting tricks in life. As you can see, I'm measuring these plastic bottle caps and cut the sandpaper to make it equal. After cutting 2 pieces like that, now let's use 502 glue to paste back. Put sandpaper around that bottle cap. The rest we do the same. These are tools. You can save money on buying knives. Now, let's fix this bottle cap on the wood plate, just like the video. Let's start sharpening the knife now. Let's put some water on the blade. And let's start sharpening our hands. You don't have to use too much force. From the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. Let's put a little more toothpaste on the blade. You can also use extra batteries to hit the blade. This battery, when sharpening the knife, is also very useful. Now, let's clean this knife. Clean the toothpaste on the blade. After the cleaning is done, let's start together to test on the sharpened knife. Into the tools, like a fruit or a piece of paper. The things that we cut every day in that life. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.